Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to another Electro Pixels repair video. Today, we have a 40-inch Samsung Edge-type LED TV with a common but challenging display fault, a double image on the screen. After checking the TV, we found that the problem was caused by an internal short in the LCD panel, specifically in the gate signal tracks. When the gate signals on one side of the panel become shorted, they can cause symptoms such as double images, distorted pictures, or abnormal display patterns. In some cases, if the fault is limited to one side, we can attempt a temporary repair using the taping method. However, if both sides of the panel are internally shorted, this type of repair may not be possible, and panel replacement becomes the only practical solution. In this particular TV, the problem was found on the left side, so we carefully applied cello tape to the required tracks on the FFC cable to block the affected gate signals from entering the panel. After completing the modification, we reconnected the FFC cable and powered on the TV to test the result. As you can see, the double image has completely disappeared, and the display is now working perfectly with a clear picture. However, please remember that this is only a temporary repair. The permanent solution is to replace the complete LCD panel, which can cost around 70% of the price of a new TV, making this type of temporary repair a practical option in many cases. If you found this repair video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting LED TV repair videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.